Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer and welcome to Best Kept Plans. Today's video is going to be a plan with me for the week of January 13th through the 19th, 2025, using my Traveler's Notebook size planner from Archer and Olive. If you're interested in seeing that, please stick around. Here we are in my Traveler's Notebook size planner. I'm going to be going with a vertical layout over 4 pages for this week's spread. For this spread, I'm going to be using this stencil from the Crafter's Workshop. I'll be using this stamp set from Elle's Studio. I'll be using the January stamp from this set from Paper Person. I'll be using these number stamps from Heidi Swapp. I'll be using this quote stamp set from Ink Road Stamps and this sticker sheet from Stick with Kate. We're sticking with the rainbow theme for this week's spread, so I am using these 5 different distressed oxides as well as my black VersaFine ink. I absolutely loved the way that my spread came out last week. I was super happy with it, and I was hoping to bring that positive energy into this week's spread, but I did want to switch things up and decided to use a stencil. I've used this stencil in the past and have really liked it. So what I did is I stuck the stencil down with some washi tape to the leftmost column on the first page of my spread, and I'm basically going in with all 5 of the distressed oxides I'm using in a kind of like gradient form from one color to the next to create this rainbow going up the left side of the page. Now I'm trying to be concise about the way I'm doing this so that each of these colors visually take up the same amount of space, but I will say it was a little bit challenging here with the yellow. It's such a light color that it doesn't take a lot for another color to overwhelm it. I was trying to be careful about where the yellow fades into orange on one side and blue on the other, but I do think we lose just a hair of the yellow in there. Once I'm done with putting down this lilac distress oxide, we will be all done with my gradient rainbow. And then I'm going to go over to the last page of the spread in the bottom right corner, and I'm putting the stencil down again and basically using this as a little bit of a backdrop for putting down a quote sticker. So that's the purpose of this little stenciled section here, and I decided to go with warmer tones for this. No particular reason as to why I did that. I'm making sure that I have specific boxes that I will be laying the oxide over using my washi tape to make sure things don't get too messy. And now that I have both of those stenciled areas down, we're going in with my dates and days of the week. Now, right off the bat, you can see I have made an error on Saturday for the 2nd week in a row. I put little horizontal lines down on every day of the week so that even though these number stamps are different heights, the bottom of the number will be on the same line all the way across. And that will allow the day of the week to be on the same line all the way across. And for some reason, when I was doing it, I messed up Saturday. Last week, I think it was too low. This week, Saturday is too high, but it is what it is. Now that I'm finished doing those dates and days of the week, I'm back over in the rainbow gradient area of the spread. I put down my January stamp vertically. I put down a week number sticker, and then I'm using this Parks and Rec stamp from my Ink Road stamp set, and I put it in a little bit of a unique spot. And the reason I did that is because there was actually a little bit of pink that kind of seeped through my stencil when I had it down, and so I put down that quote stamp in that specific spot so it would cover that up. I did use my Micron in 08 to put some lines in to separate each day of the week. And with that, this spread is done. I really like the way that it came out. It's definitely different than the spreads I've done the last 2 weeks with not having any of the rainbow colors behind my dates and days of the week. But I really like that change for this week. And yeah, I'm very happy with the way that this came out. I hope that you all enjoyed this plan with me. And as always, everyone, please be safe. Bye-bye.